Okay, that's one of today's jobs. Everyone that owns a Virago knows what it is, but basically these are the mount bracket supports for the rear foot pegs originally, because we built the sporty comfort racer. The only, because that's going to be a one-seater, so the only pegs will be here. I know that because originally they mount with 2 bolts, so there was one going here, and some people, I see most people use the bottom one, but then you end up with this one that you need to either weld in or plug it in, but it kind of looks a bit awkward. So I understand that putting them here makes the position a bit more humanitarian. But yeah, this one, I think it's just, it's not gonna be a bike that you go and take cross country, just race it on a Sunday to a cafe and just look at it and just brag about how uncomfortable it is, but it looks great and sounds like a demon, so that's what we're aiming for. So basically, speaking of the looks, I'm just gonna put the pegs on the top one, cut these off. Also the battery mounts were here, so cut this off too, so we have a nice straight line, same as the other one. But I still need to weld these up and grind it, so I'm gonna put some bits of aluminum and weld it in, grind it, sand it, make it pretty. Oh, done. Hate welding aluminum. Doesn't want to cooperate that great, but done. So next little project, installing the rectifier and starter solenoid somewhere, and I'm thinking it's on the side of the box. But yeah, let's have a look how it's gonna look. And look,